although the market is still very quiet, like yesterday as well. And I think, in this market condition, as long as the market background still come with some strength in terms of the setups, it's still worth to continue to look for stocks that probably got some potential. So this is the reasons why I'm doing this video here today. Of course, I do prepare some of the stocks, and some of the stock actually come from our past stock idea that we posted in Telegram or probably previously in the video over here. And of course, there's plenty. Okay, so probably this video here I will explain the setups. Then if you're able to identify in other counters, you can apply it as well. Now, do remember in this video here, I'm not doing any buy and sell call. If you want to trade any stocks that we discussed in this video here today, make sure you get your own trading plan or probably get an advice from the professional. Right. So today, by the time I'm doing this video on 12th October, yes, we do have this SSF home. Yep, the first day of this IPO over here. So it looks like nothing very interesting. Okay, it didn't make a big gap out in the opening, but it's still holding very well. Again, I guess probably is the overall market condition is still quite boring. Okay, so because of the potentially because of the budget of 2024. Okay, now let's do in the very first one. This is one of the counters that I think few months ago, not few months, actually it's just last month, we do talk about in our Telegram channel. So after that, we didn't really mention a lot because yes, I think they are heading into a pullback. So yesterday, I think the pullback is completed again. I kind of like whenever the strength signal actually happens or maybe appeared, okay, right exactly at the 20-day moving average or 40-day moving average. So for example, right here, right, so here this is the one that usually I don't really look into it because they are far away from the 20 moving average and the 40-day moving average. So potentially it may goes up a little bit again, but it will make a pullback eventually. So here's the one that usually I like. Okay, kind of similar like here. So you can notice that they are very close with 20, 40-day moving average. So before they continue to move up further. So I think the background here, the trend over here, let's go into the over trend. The trend over here is still okay. Yes, the volume increase on this candle, but the rest of the candle is pretty low to average. So I think the trend, everything is still healthy at the moment, okay, for MSM. So well, let's see how it goes. Okay, let's say next week it may retest back again to close to the 40 MA. So if you calculate your risk is low, probably you can actually look into it. Okay, again, calculate your risk to reward before you enter. Okay, so now let's turn into the next one. This is PUNCAK, another stocks that we do talk about previously as well. Okay, this one also keep testing resistance. Haven't really got the chance to move up further yet. Of course, the first time when we spotted in our Telegram is somewhere around here. Again, I likes to see sound strength very close with 20 and 40-day moving average because this representing a solid support. Can break out or not, I can break out further or not, I don't know, I cannot promise, okay, because this is not up to me, up to the market itself. But normally for me, whenever you see strength signal, 20, 40-day moving average above 20 and 40-day moving average, this representing solid support, and they got edge, okay, at the particular time. Now here also we do see there's one, okay, against coming from a strong previous resistance level turn to support, and now seems like they are still holding well on the 20 and 40 days. So again, not sure, probably it will continue to retest back into this area before breakout. Okay, so like for example here, it will test for a while before breakup. Here also, I don't know, probably will test for a while before breakup. So again, you know where is your support. Okay, you know where is your strength signal. So probably you want to use that, okay, as your risk to rewards calculation. Okay, so this is actually how I do it. Okay, every time when I look for trades. Okay, now ECONPILE, this is again I do cover in the previous video. Still trending up. Didn't make a deeper pullback after this nice sound strength, like I say here, right? Exactly at the 40 MA before they breaks up further. Okay, nice one. So here is another one, but it retests, breaks. Okay, so again, I don't know. Maybe PUNCAK we have that. Okay, I'm not sure, but again, you can use the sound strength as a potential support. Okay, so here because this is actually far away from 2040-day moving average. So normally what I do is that I will use the hourly charts to look for my next support resistance. Okay, but do remember whenever you use the hourly chart, this representing you are looking into short term. Okay, so you really need to follow your short-term trading plan. Okay, because sometimes it can make a deep pullback. Okay, if you still hold and using the daily charts okay, later on. So for example, over here, okay, you can notice that this is two strength coming nice exactly. Okay, at this 20-day moving average. So again, you can use here as your next immediate support. Okay, so let's say break here, probably you want to decide whether you'll still hold or not. But for me right now, I don't see any major weaknesses so far for ECONPILE. Of course, we entered quite so-called a safe area previously, somewhere around here. Okay, so well, no harm. Okay, to continue to hold. Okay, if you entered previously, currently running around 20%. Okay, but it's also good to consider to lock some profit. Okay, which is partial profit. Okay, now last one. Okay, again, JTIASA I do cover as well in my past video, and we do talk about a lot as well. Okay, previously in our Telegram. So if you are not in our Telegram, join my Telegram. Okay, so from time to time, if I spot some of these counters similar like JTIASA, ECONPILE, I will share it into the group. Okay, now this is again very simple to read. Okay, what you do, use 20 and 40-day moving average combined with sound strength. Okay, so this is where that you know where is the support. Okay, so every time here supported well, chances is good, chances is good. So here now one, I'm not sure whether you follow or not, but based on the past three time when they test 2040 with sound strength, yes, they do move. Okay, so here yesterday a little bit of up candle around like 2% only. Today continue to pull back, but so far at this hour I'm doing this video, still low volume. Okay, which is healthy for me. Okay, so again, what you can do, switch to hourly chart. Okay, continue to read. Is there any chance for them to test the 2040-day moving average with sound strength, low volume? Okay, so this is a few things that you can do. Okay, now, well, if you think that my video here is useful for you, helpful for you, do remember to hit the like buttons for me, help me to share this out. Now, if you want me to check any stocks that you are having right now, whether got sound strength or not, is it making a healthy pullback above 2040s? Do comment also in this video here so that I will cover in the next video.